slam it against that, babe. Hello. Wow. This is cool. Oh my gosh. There's scratch anything? Don't throw it like that, babe. You're gonna hit that. You have to. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go do it. Dang. Now, is it safe to have all that ice underneath us? Yeah, that's why I thought you were gonna knock all of it out. It's gonna break when you pick it up. Oh wow. Go put it in the front because you don't want it behind you. Wait. Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
It is. Throw it over here. Wait. Okay, throw it. Okay, now bad for us. That is so crazy.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Hmm?